had a phone call right in the middle of that, so it stopped. You know, there's so much to see. I just want to get it all, and then I'll watch it back in slow motion. Look at that. That's different. I don't think I've seen it look like that before, completely. Looks kind of like a web. It's kind of starting to look like that frosting sky from like the other day, but with very clear faces. Look in the back there. I would zoom if the dog would let me. But she won't. Oh, yeah. My battery's getting low, but that's okay. Look at this. Straight up. Lilo and I are tug-of-warring. This is so funny. I think she might win, actually. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness, this is just the coolest. I really want to zoom in on some of this. Yeah, it is kind of strange how the birds today are freaking out. I mean, they seem very happy. I shouldn't say they're freaking out. I should say they're just being jolly and playful and happy. Oh my gosh, this dog is chasing birds now. When she yanks me, it's really hard to pull her back. Oh my goodness, look at that. Lilo, you're a little turkey. Lilo. She's just like looking at all the birds. Hello. Please stop. Come this way. All right. Oh, I gotta push the button, so I gotta bring it down.